Hey everybody, figured to do an update on the Kelowna toy. I got everything in the base color. Since it's going to be mixed with a green, I wanted to have a little bit of a warm white. So this is an antique white instead. So the next step is letting this cure enough where I can put masking on it. I'm going to put vinyl on it. The way I'm going to do it, I've seen a small amount of people do a two-tone on a car like this, is right here, that line right there, and then it'll come down like right like that, maybe even go all the way to the front, but I don't know how I'm going to do it here, so it might come down right at the front there. That is going to be green, and then this inside, that other side of that line is going to be that white. The hood's going to be white, and the wing will be that green as well. I have to cut some decals. When I cut those decals, I will record that and put it along with a video. Once I get all that, I have to mask everything off very well and then paint this inside the engine bay black. So since that was all molded into that, that's all going to be black. Now, as you can see, the parts behind, I do have everything in base color. The interior is going to be a brown. I might have to do another brown coat on that, or I might just I'm going to dry brush it, give it a leather look. Got the whole interior on there, and I have to paint that black because that will be shown. And then I do have the engine in that Pontiac blue that normally is the color that they would have it in. Same as that Firebird I got. But I am going to put a wash on that and kind of give it a little bit of a wear, something dirty. It's going to be a race car, but it's going to be a car that kind of like a little bit cheaper of a car that you know, somebody like I could afford. It ain't gonna be no show car. It's gonna be like something that I can take to a track on a weekend or so. But it ain't gonna be no show car, and that's what I want to go for, to give it a little bit more of a different look. So this would be like me if I had money and I had a GTO Judge that I was going to take on the weekends to race. So I think on the bottom it's going to be a little bit of cruddy on the bottom as well. It's going to show some use. So I do have, you know, the suspension and exhaust, they're all one piece. Those, I'll have the mufflers and that, a little rusty and cruddy, but not, you know, not super bad. And the front, I'll make that look like it actually was added on a little later. And then you got the manifolds. Where's the wheels? These are the wheels. I'm gonna stick with the kit wheels. There ain't nothing wrong with them. They got some detail on the back of it for the brakes and stuff. I'm gonna put some wash on them and stuff. But I gotta glue them yet. I might make the spokes gunmetal. I might brush some gunmetal on it. We'll see. But figured I'd give you a nice little update. I don't know where I put the micro machine. Here it is. So this is a car. Even though the side is white, has this zigzag white on it, I'm gonna make that all that green and make all the threes white. So I ain't gonna have it like that where it's black. I'll have to figure out how to do that. Probably just do a mask and do it black. But it'll look a lot like that, except the off-white. Hope everybody's having a great day. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.